So this question talks about 49 to the power of a half, and it's saying what's its value. So we have to remember our laws of indices here, and there's a law that says that if you do a to the power of a fraction, then it's equal to the nth root of a being a base number, in this case 49, and the fraction 1 over n, 1 over 2 in this case. So this is basically saying we've got to do the second root of 49, and the second root is the square root. So basically we're going to say here plus or minus 7. Remember, when you do square roots there are two possible answers, a positive and a negative. So plus or minus 7 will work for that, because 7 squared is 49, but also negative 7 squared is 49. This one says simplify 2d squared cubed. So we've got two ways of thinking about this. We can either remember that cubing means you're doing the same thing times itself again. That's what cubing means. Or the quicker way of doing this is to remember that there is a rule that says if you do a base to a power and then raise that to another power, it's the same as multiplying the two powers. So we could then change this into an equivalent, and the equivalent would be 2 cubed d cubed t squared cubed, and then literally work out what each of these is. So 2 cubed is 8, d cubed is just going to be d cubed, but t squared cubed, the rule says you go as a raise to power to a power, you times the powers, so 2 times 3 is 6, so 2 to the t to the power of 6. If you do it this alternative way, then you're going to use the rule that when you've got a base times the same base with two different powers, it's the same as doing the two powers added together. So this one we can do 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, but then we've got d, which is power 1, power 1, power 1, and if we add the 1s, 1, 2, 3, we get d cubed, and then if we do t squared times t squared times t squared, or cube there, but squared, then it'll be 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 6. So either way you'll get those answers.